Hi! In front of me is REALME C53 and today I would like to show you how you can check device specifications. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now you can download this app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info, and when it's ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!